On today's Body Cam, we're checking out woman is surprised when a routine traffic stop turns into a trip to jail in an instant.
How you doing, man?
Okay, happy.
Good. Officer in a wholesale, okay? Kingsville Police Department. The reason for the stop, Mom, is expired registration, okay? Is this your vehicle?
Yes, it's mine and my ex's.
Yours and your ex's? Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
I don't. I'm not even supposed to be driving right now.
No. Well, why are you driving?
Because my boss asked if I could go and do this quick job.
Your boss? Well, what kind of job is it?
We do cleaning services. I haven't called my cleaning stuff in 3 days.
Did you do?
Yeah. So she had just asked me just if I could go do it real quick, and I was just gonna go do that real quick. Send the extra money.
Okay. Whose car is it again?
It's mine and my ex's.
Yours and your ex's. Okay. Do you have a driver's license? Oh, no ID or anything?
I don't have nothing.
No. Insurance?
I don't have nothing. That's
No?
what I'm saying. I'm not even supposed to be driving this car. Right?
I got you. I'll tell you what. You want to put it in front? Okay. All right. Let me step up for me. Okay. No weapons or anything?
No.
You seem really nervous. Okay.
I'm just nervous.
You're really shaky when I went up there.
I'm just nervous because it's like, the time that I come out in the stupid car, you know, I go and I'm trying to just get some extra money. I know I'm gonna have to get paid for probably more money. You know?
Got you. What's your name? Are you sure there's nothing I need to know about?
No, you
Okay.
can search me if you want.
Like I said, I walked up there and I could almost see your heart beating out of your chest. You look so nervous.
Cause I'm like, why did they take this stupid job? I was just okay at home.
Hey, we gotta work, right? We gotta get by. We gotta do it. We gotta do a job just to get by. Stuff's expensive, right?
Yes, it is.
Would you give me consent to search your vehicle?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yep. Okay. Anything I need to know about? One more time.
No, it's just really dirty.
Okay. Alrighty.
Just really dirty because I could have.
Do you have any warrants out?
Not that I know of. I'm on probation, so.
What are you on probation for?
For an incident that happened back in 2016.
What was that?
I got caught with narcotics inside the facility, but it's because I was being threatened.
Oh, I asked you if you had like if you said you never done anything.
Well, not smoked or anything. I don't smoke or drink or do any of that stuff.
Oh, but what'd you get caught with? That's what I was asking you.
With
Said you
K2, but that was back in 2016 or 17.
with synthetic.
With synthetic. Yeah.
When's the last time you done synthetic?
I haven't done synthetic.
No.
She just said that she's a dealer, man. She's a dealer. She the one that's moving to work. She not smoking it. She the one moving to work. You know what I'm saying? She out there in the field. Here's the thing. Here's the reality. Inmates could get anything that they want, and that's from the streets. All the way up until a firearm. I'm gonna keep it real with you. You find a sucker that's willing to risk his job, or you find somebody that's willing to risk their freedom, right? As far as visitors and stuff like that is concerned, they could get anything in there. I think something came out maybe a few years ago. I think in Atlanta or something. A guy had a firearm in the facility, an inmate.
A disturbing story out of Georgia. Officials say an inmate used a gun to kill a kitchen worker at a prison before fatally shooting himself. This happened around 4:30 yesterday morning at the Smith State Prison in Glenville, Georgia. That's about an hour from Savannah. The agency is investigating but did not say how the inmate got access to a gun.
It's real. I'm telling you, it's real in there, man. It's real in there. When this happened 2 years ago, inmate has a firearm. Insane what people are willing to do, to jeopardize themselves and stuff like that. These inmates, they'll prey on you. They'll find who's a sucker, and because they got all day to just sit there and watch you. So they're gonna figure out who's the sucker, and they're gonna work on you and work on you and work on you. And oh, can I get an extra roll of tissue? Oh, can I get an extra this? Maybe you're on room restriction or you're on lockdown and you're not supposed to be able to go to the yard or whatever. Here, all right, can I go to the yard? Yeah, all right, go ahead, go to the yard. Little things like that. It's just little things, or inmate might offer you something. Inmate might offer you something, I remember one time, never mind. Now, I think I've told this story before or whatever, but I've done so many videos that, whatever. You probably don't know. Yeah, so I remember one time I was working a housing unit. I was working in the medium. It was a housing unit that I wasn't familiar with, okay? So I never really worked that unit, you know, so I wasn't familiar with the inmates. So I could see the names on the board, like who's room restriction and stuff, and I knew what beds and stuff like that. But if the inmate walked right past me, I wouldn't even know who it was because I didn't know the people on the unit. So anyway, they got let out for gym, and the inmate goes to gym, right? But he's not supposed to. He's on room restriction. So he goes to gym. And then, you know, I'm in the office, whatever, and I'm making my little rounds or whatever, just checking up on my room restriction guys. I think I had like maybe 8 or something like that. And I'm calling them, boom, boom, boom. And then this one inmate, he not there. So I'm like, wait, hold on. Where this guy at? So I call down to the gym. Yo, you got inmate so-and-so down there? Yeah, I got inmate. Oh, yeah? Bring his ass back. Okay, so boom, he comes back. So I read him the riot act. He know he wrong. You know, as soon as he walks in, he's like, all right, my bad, Mr. M. That was the inmates called me in there, Mr. M. You know what I'm saying? Whatever. But anyway, say, my bad, Mr. M. All right, you know what I'm saying? I read him the riot act. I'm like, yo, you know what time it is, man. Stop playing, yada, yada, whatever, boom. So that was all good. He goes down back, maybe about 10 minutes later. He comes up to the front and he offers me a Muslim oil, like they call it Muslim oil, but it's if you go to the corner stores, you'll see like, let me see if I can show a photo of it. They're like they're little oils or whatever, and they roll it on their skin and stuff like that. I got a little roller on there, and you just roll it on your skin or whatever. But they use that as cologne. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, he offers me a Muslim oil, and what I snapped. I snapped. I'm like, yo, if you ever offer me anything effing again, it's gonna be your last time offering anything. What? I had them boys in here in about 3 seconds. Cause all you do, you hit the button on the radio, you hit the red button, and them boys is coming, boy. Yeah, get you together. So that's what happened, you know. But that always stuck with me. You know why? Because what if I didn't react like that, and I took it? Just think about it. If I didn't react like that, but I was weak-minded and I took it, or maybe I was gullible. Oh, this is just a nice inmate. Let me get That's how you open Pandora's box. They got you. You just took a gift from an inmate? You're cooked. They got you. And it's little things like that spiral out of control, and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, you know? Oh, you remember that time can I get an extra? You know, stuff like that. Can't be a sucker, man.
I don't smoke or do anything.
Oh, okay.
My ex-husband, he was in there.
Uh-huh. Who's your ex-husband?
Derek
Derek Thomas?
Yeah, he's really bad.
Where's he at?
He's, I think, in prison right now.
Is he? I hadn't seen him in a long time.
Yeah, I have 3 kids with him, so I would take my kids whenever I had gotten out. I had taken my kids over there to go see him. And just, you know, to be that mother that,
You said you did give me consent?
Yes.
Verbal consent? Okay. So you give me consent to search your vehicle for narcotics or any illegal items, right? Okay. So you do have a warrant out of a city warrant, okay? It's over $1,000. We're going to be serving those, okay? You've also got a warrant out of Frio County, probation violation. Waiting for confirmation on that, okay?
Okay.
During the duration, once we get you going over there, if they confirm it, then we'll serve that too, okay? All right. Other than that, we're going to be going to jail.
I talked to her. She said that I could handle that on the 22nd, but
I got you. You have nothing on you?
No.
Nothing illegal hidden on your body?
Yeah.
Once you get to the jail, it's a felony charge. You understand that, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, yeah.
She know.
All right, Mom. Put your hands
Can
up.
I get my phone?
Yeah, I can get it for you. Put your hands up front.
Because I need to call my mom to pick up all my kids from school.
Is that too tight?
No, that's good. And I need to tell my boss, because I got her car keys inside my car.
Okay.
So, and she's at work at Young's Pizza right now.
Step over here, okay?
Driving hot.
All right, nothing on you, right?
No.
Okay, have a seat. Watch your head.
You're gonna put my phone right?
Yes, it's the one in the front?
It's the one in the front, yes.
Okay.
And am I gonna be able to have somebody come and pick up my ID?
We have a record coming already. All right. I mean, one thing if you had somebody close by, another thing if you had insurance, you don't have insurance, you got expired registration, you don't have a driver's license. I'm gonna cut you a break by not citing you for all of that, but
I'd rather get cited instead of, because I'm gonna be sitting in jail anyways.
I got you. But all right, Mom.
And my aunt lives right here on West Adams.
I got you. We already have one coming, okay?
We'll call my boss first and let her know that.
Ask her how close she is. The record's like.
She works at Young's Pizza. Hey, Ma. Hey, what you call it? I got put over and I'm going to jail and I still got your car keys in my car. Yeah.
No, but my keys. You have my keys. You took my keys with you? Didn't leave them in the car?
No, I didn't, because I didn't want to lock them. I didn't want to leave them in there and lock them in there or anything. But I have them here. The car. I'm right here on the Alice Museum.
Right here by the ice house.
Right here by the ice house.
I can't make work. Look,
I'll tell you what. If I can get those keys with me, I will go drop them off to her.
Hey, he said that he could drop the keys up to you.
tell him I appreciate that. I'll get him a sandwich so he wants.
He'll get you a sandwich.
No, okay, I'll do that. But other than that, no, we'll take care of it. Okay.
Okay, appreciate you. He said you were gonna let me call my mom. Good day. Okay. Could I call my daughter too? I know it's a lot to ask for.
Well, I mean, I don't have an issue with it, just as long as.
Jingle from the latest responded again. It is not confirmed.
So, yeah, I don't have an issue with it. You know, other officers, we're all different, okay? Some officers probably won't let you, most officers won't let you. But you're being cool, I'll let you do it, just keep it to a minimum, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let them know what's going on, what you need from her, and that's it, alright?
She's at school anyways. I just wanted to, call her just to let her know that I love her and to help my mom out with the kids.
Okay.
Looking for answers as the world goes by. What's in the